Hello, my dear children. Let's begin our English session for the day. In today's session, we shall be looking at a poem from our Marigold textbook for class 3. The title of the poem is Bird Talk, which is written by Eileen Fisher. This poem is a conversation between two birds sitting in a garden where they are discussing how they differ from human beings. So let's look at the poem Bird Talk, which is written by Eileen Fisher. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So this was a sweet conversation between a jay and a robin. Hope you enjoyed this poem, children. Thank you all for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.